ready. We're coming out with the team. What's up, everybody? It's time for JT's Landscaping and Lawn Care Mighty Mites. They're going to scrimmage for us. JT's works to develop great long-term relationships with every client by establishing and maintaining beautiful landscapes and, most importantly, surpassing their expectations. Shane Willis with me. We're on the ice. Shane, where are these guys from?
We have the Ice Hawks from Winston-Salem joining us tonight, making the drive up, going to show us all their skills out here this evening.
Nice. Nice little scrum there.
They travel in packs in Winston-Salem.
Somebody gets a chance to break that out.
The white team's going to break it out here.
Up. Look out.
I need an assist. Oh, great defensive play there by the red team.
There we go.
Stormy hasn't made a call all year.
Now we got
Always gets interesting when we get the Storm squad involved down on the end. Haven't seen any of them get an assist this year yet either.
Could be something brewing here. Oh, nice defense.
White, he's all over the place. Here he comes.
Here we go.
What a save!
Wow!
A kick save and a beauty. Oh, here he comes again. 19 White is all over the
boards.
Ice. Another huge save. Cecilia is getting it done in the net tonight, ladies and gentlemen.
Some good goaltending, and it leads to a breakout for his team. Yeah!
Oh! Great action here from the Winston-Salem Ice Hawks. Here comes 19 again. Look at the back check by Red. One more chance maybe for the Red to get the lead.
Oh, that's onside.
Goaltending performance here tonight.
Wow. Both goaltenders are on it.
Playing the old hidden puck trick right now.
Nice save. Give it up for these kids, huh? JT's Landscaping and Lawn Care offers custom design and installation of outdoor living areas, including fireplaces, fire pits, outdoor kitchens, retaining walls, walkways, and patios. Yeah, here we go. It's time for a shootout. JT's Landscaping and Lawn Care Mighty Mites. It is JT's Landscaping mission and passion to help your landscape reach its maximum potential and increase your property value at the same time. JT's team of professional landscape design experts can help you find the best custom design solution for your yard and your budget. All right, we got the red team, we got the white team. We're going red first. Rhino's gonna drop the puck. Here we go. Here comes Brody, our first shooter on goalie, Nico. Yep. That's one. All right, Vance, here we go, buddy. Going in on the goaltender, Cecilia. Oh! Tied up, nice little dance. Here comes Jack. Come on, fans, give it up for Jack. Here we go, he's gonna put a move on. Yep, oh, nice stop. Nico with the pad save, here we go. Jacob. One-on-one with the goaltender, Cecilia. Oh, 5-hole. How about that? All right, Jaden. Wide right. White team next. Here comes Liam. It's 2-1 white right now. There you go. Puck control. Headed in. That's a save. Red team. Ben. Ben, your chance to tie it up. No pressure. No pressure. That's a save by the white goaltender. Nice job. We're going to go back to the white team. Here we go. Micah on the way in. Breaks. That was a good fake. Faked you out again. Saved by the goaltender. That'll do it. 2-1 white. Give it up for the white team. Nice job, everybody. It's JT's Landscaping and Mighty Marts.